the first of our Ortho Hub unbox videos where we take a kit, a surgical kit, and an expert, and we pull it all out and see how it works.
Here's the screwdriver and the pedicle screw, but take a look at the tip. A jamsheedy inside the pedicle screw.
Self-cutting, self-tapping.
Exactly.
Brilliant. So mounted up pedicle screw with a spiky bit down the middle, which is going to give us our sharp start, and we're going to go tap, and that gets us kicked off.
And what I'm looking for is to be, as you can see on the X-ray, on the lateral edge of the pedicle that I'm targeting. And we want to be about 1 centimetre out from that. It depends hugely on the patient.
Along the horizontal line?
Along and lateral to the horizontal line.
So this is still sitting on the edge of the pedicle, and this is going down the pedicle.
Exactly. Hold the wire and advance the screw. And it's exactly the same as before.
Do I get to whack it?
It's tapping rather than whacking, but if you really want to, Pete, yeah, you can. If you want to do that, that's good. So I think there's enough of the hammer, Pete. It's a holy grail of navigation is that axial. That's what we want to see. We don't need to check anything else. We can see it happening live. And there it goes, right down onto position. And then we simply undo and away.
And there we have it.